How to use Gamma app for freelancers. Hi everyone, and today I am going to give you a step-by-step guide on how you as a freelancer can use Gamma app to create presentations. If you're a freelancer, you know that time is money and creating slides from scratch can be slow. Gamma app helps you generate presentations very quickly so you can focus on delivering results for your clients, of course. For freelancers, this app is basically a game changer because you save a lot of time. You can directly go in and create slideshows and presentations with AI. That means it's going to save you a lot of time and you don't have to spend so much time worrying about your text, your layout, and how your visuals are going to go. This means you can just create high quality presentation fast without being a professional designer. Now, once you've logged into your Gamma account, you are going to meet with this page. This is the main dashboard where the first folder is going to be named as Gammas. You're going to go here, click on Create New AI. You're going to generate an AI prompt. This is basically going to show you available options. Like here are the options for a presentation, a web page, a document, or a social media post. This is going to be the main text box where you are going to type in your prompt. I'm going to type in my prompt exactly like this. We are going to be making a presentation for social media marketing for small e-commerce business. You can also select how many cards you want to make it precise. I'm gonna do 8 cards. You can select the design mode and the layout and the language. I'm going to do traditional. Now, once the prompt is in, the AI is going to generate me an outline of the presentation with all the important content. These are going to be the slide cards, and you can always just go ahead and move these cards around or up, or even delete them if you don't want them. While generating a prompt for the AI or typing it in, you need to be precise about what you actually want. You need to be very direct to the point. You don't have to use fancy words to make it complicated for the AI. I'm going to switch this around. Perfect. I'm going to generate this, and just like that, this is going to generate a whole presentation for me just in a few seconds. This shows that Gamma instantly structures a professional presentation, giving you a head start. You can always jump in and edit this manually. You don't have to worry about the layout, the text, or typing in context. We are going to edit this and then adding visuals. We're going to add visuals here. We are going to edit those visuals that are already provided by the AI. Since the AI suggests related content, we are also going to take a look at that. Now, while your structure is being prepared, you can subscribe to this channel and just hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of the guides or tutorials and you want to be updated. And I'm going to hide this. I don't want any unnecessary tabs. Okay, let's go. As you can see, the theme and the fonts are really bold, and this is giving it a very professional look. There are visuals already added. The theme is blue and dark, which gives it a very bold look. Now we are going to structure this content. We are going to remove and add things that we want and things that we don't want. Right here, I'm going to delete this picture because I don't like it. Okay, perfect. Since this slide looks very empty, I am going to make this longer so it looks much better. There, the presentation looks much better. I did not want that picture. If you want to add your own visuals and pictures, you can simply just look at this list on your right. There is an image tool and you can simply just upload your own image or the link. You can drag and drop directly, and I don't want that, but if you do, you can add your own visuals. Now, if you want a visual that is generated by AI, you can simply click on the image again. You see there are many options, so you can also search it on the web. You can just have pixel images, or you can have QR codes if you like. If you want an AI generated image, you can simply click on images. You can click on AI images. This is going to open a text box for you right here. And you can write a prompt in this text box so the AI generates a picture or a visual according to your preference. There are also many different art styles right here. You can select them. There are other settings for the ratio, for the count, and the model. And there are also AI suggested content according to your topics. I like how my slide is as it is. I can go ahead and delete it. If you want, you can also remove things as you like. Okay, perfect. One important thing that you should do as a freelancer is to add logos in your slides or add one main logo in your heading. I'm going to add it right here. I'm going to replace this picture with the logo picture because I don't really like it. And I'm going to generate a logo, and simply you're just going to give AI a prompt. Now this is going to create an image just in a few seconds. This tool is really helpful because it saves a lot of time and you don't have to ramble on while editing this whole presentation. Okay, perfect. Now this is the logo that we are going for. You can also use your own logo. Once your logo is in, you can resize it to your preference or your liking. Since the visuals make the presentation more engaging, you can also add charts and other logos. Like right here, you can simply just go on to this list of tools. This is going to provide you a block of tools and you can simply just select through them and paste them right here. Gamma makes it easy to insert visuals directly into slides, keeping your presentations clear and appealing like this. Now, even with AI-generated slides, editing is essential. You need to go through all of this context and you have to keep removing what you don't want. You don't want to add unnecessary detail that the AI has added. And check each slide for clarity, accuracy, and consistency. Shorten long sentences as you like, because this is going to make it look professional and easy to follow. Also highlight the key points as you go. This is another chart that was created by AI. I think this is absolutely beautiful because I really like how the AI really designed it in an infinity sign. Once you have reviewed all of your slides and you think everything is ready to go, you can click on present and do one final preview of your presentation. Right here, you can just look how the presentation flows. If you don't like anything, you can always go back and edit anything. Now, once your slides are ready and you've already previewed it, Gamma lets you export them. Here, you're going to click on share and you're going to see the export file. Gamma allows you to export them in different formats like PDF, PowerPoint. For presentation, it's best to export them to PowerPoint because it's going to create a slideshow. There is also a shareable live link, which is easy to share for online reviews. Right here, you're going to go on share and you can give access for editing, commenting, or just simply viewing. If you're discussing it and need approvals or remarks or comments by your client, you can simply just share this link, copy it to your clipboard and share this link. You can also invite collaborators, which is very useful if you're working with a team or if you have team members. You can simply just add their email and invite them like this. So I invited myself as a collaborator, but you can invite your team members. And that's how freelancers can use Gamma app to create client presentations step by step. By generating slides with AI, structuring content, adding visuals, editing it, reviewing it, and exporting it professionally, you can deliver published presentations quickly and efficiently. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.